Hey, New York, this is Clark with NYC PIGEON AIR CONDITIONER. So many of you want or you need a COI, a certificate of insurance. And this is a document, an insurance document that most buildings or many buildings require for contractors to do work in their building in case of any damage. So we have instructions on our website. It's very simple. Your management company usually provides a sample certificate of insurance. All right. Now, what does that mean for you? Basically, what you have to do is, instead of sending that sample document over to us, because sometimes your management company will give it to you or people will take a photo of it and stuff, we have to send that to our insurance agent. An insurance agent gets, maybe a large number of emails every day. So to make things simple, we put some instructions on our website about what we actually need. We don't need the entire document from a management company. We need your name. We need your address. We need the insurance holder information. And we need the additional insured information. Now, all of that should be on the sample document from your management company, right? So if you look on the document your management company has sent to you, there's a sample certificate of insurance. You just copy and paste that information. It should take you less than 5 minutes, and you send it to us with your name, your address, the insurance holder information, which is usually the management company, and or maybe the whatever format your building wants, right? And the additional insured, and that's all we need. We get those 4 things, we send it to the agent, and if you do it properly, it can be done within an hour. If it's done wrong, there's a lot of back and forth, and it just makes things drag on. So if you want this to be expedited and get it done as fast as possible, please follow the instructions on our website. All right. I'm looking forward to working with you and hoping you have a good summer. Thanks, New York. Bye.